Hi guys, this is Doc Kulot. So we are here now at Tom and Tom's. So ito yung coffee shop na pinupuntahan ko in my residency training. Kasi sobrang lapit niya dun sa hospital where I actually trained for my residency. And then I remember, kasi dati wala pa kaming car. Traffic kasi masyado pag between 5 to 6:30ish. So, instead umuwi muna, dito muna ako tatambay. Actually, kape lang ang afford natin dati, guys. Pero ngayon, nakaluwag-luwag na. May sandwich na tayo. So, na lang, I have work later and then I realized that, there's really parang gratitude in the process, in the journey. What are you grateful for? Ano yung mga bagay-bagay na nagpapasalamat ka? Comment down below.